All right. Yesterday, I saw a lot of questions. Some of us were not able to follow up with the practical step, and because of that, I am creating another video that will help us to achieve it one after the other. So I'll be having about 4 to 5 videos that I will display for you people today. One of the video is going to talk about thumbnail. So, and this thumbnail is the kind of design you prepare to for your video. You, like, for example, now there's what they call flyer, those handbill that they are sharing in the all those church handbill and other handbill that people are designing. Yes, we are going to be designing that during the practical today with one of our AI tools. So I believe we are going to follow up with the practical one after the other, because during that yesterday video, there is a lot of topic that was joined together. So that is, I believe that is why some of you are not getting it. So I'm going to break them one after the other for us. The topic I'm going to treat now is called thumbnail. We call it thumbnail. We call it thumbnail. Thumbnail is a kind of uh, design that you prepare for your YouTube video, Rumble video. You can as well prepare it for other social media platform. You can as well prepare it, but we mainly use thumbnail mostly for YouTube and Rumble. Now, it can also be used in Facebook. So this thumbnail is one of the tools that will help the people that are uh, uh, scrolling on your phone. I mean, people that will be scrolling on their phone. When they see your thumbnail, they will want to check what is inside the video. And it's not just creating a thumbnail, but it's to create a professional thumbnail. Like if you look at most of the video we are posting on our YouTube channel, you will see the design there. It's after you click on that video before you begin to see the video playing. And that design that you saw there before you click is the thumbnail we are talking about. You must have a motivating thumbnail that will attract people to click on your video. So you don't just create video and post like that. You must have a good thumbnail. So that's the practical we are going into right now. We are going to be doing the practical step by step. So by after today practical class, I believe every one of us will understand and do their practical one after the other. So see you in the practical session. Today class will be talking about how to create a thumbnail. How to create a thumbnail. And the app we are using for this topic is ChatGPT. ChatGPT can do a lot of things, but most people are just using it for manual research. So now, remember we have this topic, how to upload a video on Rumble in 2026 / complete step-by-step guide for beginners. So we are using this very topic now to create our thumbnail. So what we do, we just tell ChatGPT to create a thumbnail for us. Just type thumbnail for this You can say design thumbnail. Design thumbnail for my Rumble channel. So all you need to do now is to click. You can still copy it and paste if you want. If you don't want to paste it, ChatGPT already identified this topic, so you can still paste it. Design thumbnail for my Rumble channel on how to upload. You see, so you send now. So ChatGPT will start creating the image for you. That thumbnail, it will start building it for you. Let's just see how wonderful and attractive the thumbnail will look like. So I hope we are learning. So this topic, remember, is how to create a thumbnail that will motivate viewers to click on your video. That's what we are studying here now. So make sure you understand this topic. And also, I forgot to add the size. It's supposed to be 16 by 9. Always remember to add your size. This size now is bigger than the YouTube uploading thumbnail, but we are still going to manage it. We are going to use it. Now you click. After you click now, you can save it. You can see the topic there. How to upload a video on Rumble. Are you seeing it now? Very catching and motivating. Very catching and motivating. When somebody see this topic, they will immediately click. All right. I believe we have gone through the video, and I'm expecting everyone to start their practical right away. And as you are carrying out your practical, make sure you are doing the right thing by writing out all the steps on your exercise book. After that, then you carry your phone, be looking at the exercise book and be demonstrating your practical. So if you don't do it like that, you will always have challenges. You will be finding it difficult to complete your task. You'll be finding it difficult to do your own practical. Write it out. I'm repeating it because of the way some of us are asking questions. Write it out. After that, you drop it somewhere, carry your phone and be applying the step by step. It will help you a lot.